Hello everyone. Today let's do a secondary ignition coil diagnosis with an oscilloscope. This is Hantek handheld automotive oscilloscope. It owns 2 channels, 80 MHz bandwidth, 250 MHz sampling rate, and it also works as a common oscilloscope, a multimeter, and a waveform generator. This is a high-tension pickup lead, a spark plug extension lead with an additional as well. First, remove one coil to diagnose. Couple the spark plug extension lead between the coil and the spark plug. Connect the additional earth wire between the coil pack and a earth point. And then fit the clamp of high-tension pickup lead on the spark plug extension lead. And place the lead clip onto a earth point. And then plug the BNC into the channel 1 on the scope. Now all the connections are ready now. Power on the scope. Switch the language to English. Then select Vehicle Diagnosis, Ignition, Secondary. The scope had been equipped with over 70 auto diagnosis functions. Let's start the engine. The secondary ignition waveform displays. Adjust vertical setting to 1 kV. Press down trick button and select a proper trick position to stabilize the waveform. Use up or down button to move the waveform vertically. Use time button to change time-based setting to see more details. Now we can see the current waveform for later examination. Now let's observe the waveform we just saved. Different parts of the waveform represents different process of the coil. This is the start of magnetization. When the ignition coil starts charging, it should maintain a relatively consistent waveform falling edge, which indicates that the closing angle of each cylinder is the same and the ignition timing is accurate. This is the breakdown voltage. If the breakdown voltage is too high, which indicates that the resistance value in the secondary ignition voltage circuit is too high, such as circuit break, high voltage line damage, or spark plug clearance is too large. This is combustion voltage, which indicates whether the air-fuel ratio of each cylinder is normal or not. If the mixture vapor is too thin, the combustion voltage is lower than the normal value. Combustion line. The duration of the combustion line depends on the concentration of the mixture in the cylinder. The burning line is too long, usually more than 2 milliseconds, means the mixture is too thick, while the burning line is too short, usually less than 0.7 milliseconds, means the mixture is thin. The last part of the waveform is coil oscillation. There should be at least 2 oscillation waves behind the combustion line, which indicates that the coil and the capacitor are good. Otherwise, the coil should be replaced. Okay, this is all for today. If you are interested in the test and the device, please visit my online shop and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.